Hey folks, today I'm diving into a crucial topic for IT professionals: SAP data migration. Whether you're migrating from a legacy system or upgrading within SAP, these tips will help ensure a smooth transition. Let's get started. First off, plan meticulously. Successful data migration hinges on a thorough plan. This includes mapping out the entire process, identifying key stakeholders, and setting realistic timelines. Make sure to document every step. Trust me, it saves a lot of headaches later on. Next, data quality is king. Before you even think about migrating, conduct a detailed data assessment. Identify and clean any dirty data. This will minimize errors and downtime during the migration. Tools like SAP Data Services can be a big help here. Another critical point is to perform a test migration. Never, I repeat, never perform a live migration without testing first. Conduct multiple test runs to identify potential issues and fine-tune your process. This is where you can catch those pesky bugs that could cripple your system. Now, let's talk about security. Data migration often involves sensitive information. Ensure you have robust security measures in place to protect your data during the transfer. Use encryption and secure data transfer protocols to keep everything safe. Don't overlook the importance of communication. Keep everyone in the loop: stakeholders, team members, and end users. Regular updates and clear communication channels can help avoid misunderstandings and keep the project on track. Lastly, have a rollback plan. Things can go wrong, and it's essential to have a contingency plan. This includes backups and a clear strategy for reverting to the original state if needed. It's better to be prepared than to scramble when something unexpected happens. So there you have it, my top tips for SAP data migration success. Remember, thorough planning, data quality, testing, security, communication, and having a rollback plan are your keys to a smooth migration. Got any other tips or experiences to share? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and insights. Catch you in the next one.